This is the lean part and this is your moist part of the brisket. You always want to cut against the grain. So it looks like the grain is coming this way, so I'm going to cut against the grain. One of the things you want to do is you want to do the bend test. If your brisket bends over like this, especially the lean part, you know you have a good brisket. It's wanting to fall apart right there at the seam, so this is a good thing. Alright, so this is where it gets a little tricky. This right here, you can clearly see there's a difference between the lean part and the moist part. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to slice this so that I can get the top and the bottom parts separated. Alright, now we go to my favorite part of the brisket, which is the moist part. There's really no wrong way of cutting this one because this will pretty much kind of fall apart on you anyways, but you do want to try to continue the same rule of thumb. Flip this over. The fibers are going this way, so I'm going to cut against the grain. See how it's falling apart on itself? Now this part here, it's kind of where it becomes a ball. So the fibers are gonna, a very easy illustration of this, or a good illustration of this is that the fibers are gonna be going in different directions. You're gonna be hitting it the right way here, and then this is gonna be wrong. See how the fibers are going this way? You wanna cut against the fibers, but when it gets to this point of the brisket, you really can't go, you can follow it as much as possible, but it's gonna twist itself. This has been the Smoking Beard. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the flip side.